Hello everyone, it is Sunday, March 31st. I can't believe March is almost over. That's incredible to me. Today I was supposed to hang out with some of my friends, but those plans ended up falling through. I ended up just hanging out at home most of the day, but around 4 o'clock I saw that there was a little bit of sunlight finally, and so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go for a walk. Originally I was gonna try and walk along the stream in Tancheon, but the bus was running late, so I decided to go along another stream that's nearby, and I am so glad that I did. Originally I wasn't going to film today or even this. I just brought my camera to take pictures of the flowers, but I ended up enjoying it so much that I just wanted to capture it, more for my purposes of remembering it and just remembering this calm, happy feeling of just finding all of this nature nearby and seeing spring and the flowers blooming and seeing all the magpies and the birds around and the families with their kids and their dogs walking around. It's really special. So that's why I decided to film this, to capture it for myself. And then I was like, you know what, if people enjoy this too, like, that's awesome. So yeah, that's why I decided to film this. I'm just gonna let it go to a sort of montage, so I hope you guys enjoy this.